Hi, Yellow Spellers. Happy Friday. This week we are talking about the long vowel sounds and the spelling pattern VCE. So there's different ways to spell like the long O vowel sound or the long U or long A or long I vowel sound. But this week we're focusing on the vowel consonant silent E. So that's our spelling pattern this week is vowel, consonant, silent E. So let's look at the word spoke. Why does this make the long O vowel sound and not a short O vowel sound? It would be spa-ok if it was short O. Why is this long O? Right, because of the silent E on the end makes this vowel say its name, makes it a long O vowel sound. I spoke to the class over the computer. Spoke. Cone. Cone is one of the 3D shapes that we learned about. Cone. Broke. I broke my pencil by accident. Broke. Let's talk about the long I vowel sound. Life. In life, you have some challenges, but you learn to overcome those challenges. Why does this make a long I vowel sound? Why does that word make a long I vowel sound? Right, because of the silent E on the end. It makes I say its name. You hear I in life. If it was short I, it'd be lith, and that doesn't work because there's a silent E on the end. Ripe. So if you like to eat avocados, you have to make sure that it's ripe enough before you can cut it open. Mile. Now this is how you spell Miles' name in our class. But if it was his name, it'd be an uppercase M because he's a proper noun. So this mile is like I ran a mile. I ran a whole mile. Price. You hear the silent E on the end makes I say its name. Now, why does this C sound like an S? Price. The price of the potatoes were more expensive than they were. Price. Right, because if there is an I, E, or Y that follows the C, then it makes it a soft C sound. So a soft C sounds like it sounds like an S. If there's so I, E, or Y, it makes a soft C sound. If it was the other vowels, it would make a hard C. It would make prick. But it's a soft C because there's an E that follows it. Invite. Now, when I look at invite, what do you notice about the first vowel? It makes a short vowel sound. What about the second vowel? Right, it's a long vowel sound. Why is it that one long vowel? Right, because there's a silent E on the end that turns this vowel, not this one, this vowel, say its name. Invite. I invite you to my party. Okay, so the long U vowel sound. So this is a sound it makes U. U says its name. You say the letter's name. Rule. There are some rules to follow at home and at school. Rule. Excuse. Excuse. Ooh, you hear the U's name. You hear the long vowel U sound. Because why? There's a silent E on the end that makes this U, turns this U to say its name. A long vowel sound. Now, this E, do you hear E's name? No. Short E vowel sound. But this is long because of the silent E on the end. Now, look at this C. Is that a soft C or a hard C? Excuse. That's a hard C. Why is it a hard C? Because there's a U that follows after it. Remember, E, I, and Y, it makes a soft C sound. U and A and E, U and A and O makes it a hard C sound. You can't use excuse, the dog ate my homework, as an excuse. Unless it actually happened, but let's see. Cube. This was another 3D shape we had. Cube. Okay, let's talk about the long A vowel sound. Save. It's important to save money. Save. Why is that a long A vowel sound? Silent E on the end makes A say its name. If it was short A, it'd be sav. But it's not salve, it's save because of the silent E on the end. Erase. It's okay to erase and then rewrite something. Erase. Flame. If you have a candle, you will see a flame when you light it. I think that's all of them. All right, so practice your words and get ready for our spelling check-in next Thursday. Have a great weekend.